Hello guys, it's PowerGo here. So today we're gonna change my car battery. Well, you might ask, why should I change it? Well, there is three reasons why you should change it. First, your car doesn't start easily from the cold start. Second, your headlights might be dim. And third, when winter is coming, and at winter your car battery might discharge from the cold. So to do this job, you're gonna need a new car battery, a battery protector, 10mm wrench, and a T30 torque screw. So let's get started. So before putting our new battery into the car, we're gonna apply our battery protector to the battery terminals from corrosion. So we shake it up. Shaky. Then just spray it on the battery terminals. Now we're gonna wait 20 minutes for battery protector to dry. So while we are waiting for battery protector to dry, we're gonna take off this battery holder, then battery cover, and take off these two battery terminals. There. To do this, we're gonna take off this harness away, and we're exposing a 10mm bolt. We wrench it away. Okay, and then we take our torque and unwrench this bolt. And we take it with our hook. Yep. And next up, we have to disconnect our negative terminal first, and then positive terminal. Now we take the battery cover. To do this, I'll need my lady's hands. And now, we can disconnect our battery. Away. Now we place in new battery, like so, and we put our cover. Okay, we have put our battery cover back on. Now we place our positive terminal back in place. Screw it back in. Okay, good. Now we take our positive terminal, pull it back into. Now before screwing back battery holder, I'm gonna check if car starts up and everything works. Now we place our battery holder back in, like so. Where's my torque wrench? Oh. And the job is done. Before I go, guys, I want to let you know that when you change your car battery, your radio might ask for a code, so don't forget to do that.